1. The Eiffel Tower. Sometimes you just need to bring the world's greatest landmarks closer to you. That's what MJC wanted with this rendition of a Minecraft Eiffel Tower. The attention to detail is extraordinary. With each arch and careful slope crafted into the familiar shapes we know, this tower is impressive. They also took the time to craft the surrounding area into the familiar park that rests around the Eiffel Tower. Visit the best of France through Minecraft. 2. King's Landing. If you're a fan of Game of Thrones, then this is one map that you need to visit. Crafted by 175 different creators over 2.5 years, King's Landing is officially finished. It is, perhaps, one of the most impressive builds Minecraft has ever seen. Attention to detail is obvious with every individual house as well as the famous landmark of the Red Keep standing proudly on Aegon's high hill. Bring your sword. 3. Disneyland. Have you ever wanted to go to Disney but just couldn't afford their ridiculous tickets? Well, thanks to GamerKM, now you can explore the happiest place on earth without ever leaving your computer. This expansive map has quite a few different memorable landmarks that Disney lovers will immediately recognize. They also provided a skin pack that includes some of the Disney characters, so you can even get those family photos with your favorite Disney characters. 4. Los Angelcraft. If the lure of Los Angeles has always appealed to you but you've never had the time or money to visit, then you can easily take a quick trip via this creator's product. Jeroen Vids has carefully created some of the most famous landmarks of the city, allowing you ample opportunities to explore the city at your leisure. With more buildings and locations being built, you can always expect to discover something new with every visit. 5. Functional iPhone. The brilliance of Craftonix allowed this actual working iPhone to be born in the world of Minecraft. Apps, games, and an actual working touchscreen are all featured with this incredible build. You can customize the background as well as access the apps and play games on the phone. With this amount of detail and engineering at work, this iPhone creation is an absolutely incredible display of what Minecraft creativity can unleash. Like and subscribe.